The ancient basic stomach rubbing exercise encourages weight loss, gut health and overall well-being. It is the simplest and most natural method for losing weight in one's abdomen. According to traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, the stomach is the center of energy. Massaging the stomach in the manner described accomplishes more than just melting away adipose tissue, fat. The exercise effectively metabolizes the fatty tissues around the stomach and intestines and flushes them out of your body through blood, sweat, urine, and feces. Method of doing stomach rubbing exercise. Find a comfortable space to lie down on your back. A yoga mat or bed work great. Make sure your hand is making skin contact with your stomach. Close your eyes and focus on the health of your stomach and all the organs held in your precious life center. Rub your hands together vigorously for about 15 seconds, or until they feel hot. You do not want cold hands. Place your hand or hands directly on your belly button and begin to rub in small circles around your belly button, and gradually make the circles larger. Use fairly firm but comfortable pressure and rub at a slow, even pace, approximately 1 circle per second. Concentrate on the heat building up in, around and throughout your stomach. Make circle going in and out like a circular labyrinth for 3-5 minutes or more. A second option is to raise your hand barely above your stomach 1 to 2 inches and slowly make the circular motions, feeling the kinetic energy from your hand to your internal organs. A brisker version of the stomach rubbing exercise also exists. You may begin this exercise by rubbing the palms of the hands together vigorously and placing the hands, palms down, on the lower abdomen so that they lie on either side of the navel. Now begin to rub both sides of the abdomen briskly. Rub so that both hands meet near the navel on the downswing. Keep on rubbing until the friction heats up the abdominal tissues. You may repeat this exercise as many times as you wish. This version of the exercise brings more stimulation and energy to the abdomen than the regular version, so it can be used for debilitating diseases of the internal organs and peristaltic problems. It is especially good for trimming down adipose fatty tissue. The stomach exercise also can help. Stimulates the abdominal organs. Helps speed up slow digestion and remedies constipation. Increases blood circulation in the abdominal area. Helps heal indigestion, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting and the adverse effects of overeating. In addition to the rubbing motion, the exercise also utilizes the practitioner's sensory powers. When you do the exercise, use your imaginative powers to feel that energy is coming from your hand and penetrating into the skin and organs underneath. You should also feel that the energy is being retained and that it is heating up your abdominal tissues. As more energy penetrates your body, the area around your navel will begin to burn as if a fire had been started within your tissues. The distinction between the psychological and physiological basis for disease is starting to blur. But what is becoming increasingly clear is that the way a person perceives the world affects his or her physiological processes. Once again, it is a matter of cooperating with the body's natural wisdom in allowing the body and mind to heal themselves. The stomach exercise also can help. Stimulates the abdominal organs and helps speed up slow digestion and remedies constipation by increasing blood circulation in the abdominal area and all internal organs. The stomach rubbing exercise helps heal indigestion, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting and the adverse effects of overeating and makes you in touch with your organs so you are more conscious all day of your body and its needs.